Hello, this is Miss Sandra from the Porter County Public Library System. This week for summer reading, our library's theme is puppets. Can I show you how to make some puppets? Yay, thank you, my pleasure. So all of these puppets can be made with simple craft supplies that you might have in your craft closets, like construction paper, glue. If you have googly eyes, awesome. If you don't, you can use white and black construction paper, paper plates, plastic spoons, and more. Puppet number 1. Let me introduce you to Chickadee. She is made from a popsicle stick, and all she requires is some feathers, some construction paper for her beak, and some googly eyes. Tweet, 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 tweet. Puppet number 2, you might recognize because it's a friend that you may have seen on television. That's right, it's Oscar the Grouch, made simply from a green paper plate and construction paper and a popsicle stick. Roar! Puppet number 3, made from a plastic spoon. I tried to make her look a little bit like myself. She has yarn for the hair. She has scrap paper for her clothes, construction paper for her arms, and I used a marker to draw a face on her, and she's got some googly eyes. I'm Miss Sandra, come to the library. Puppet number 4. You just need some pipe cleaners, and some pom-poms, and felt, and googly eyes. You hold it just like this. Roar! I'm a monster! Roar! Puppet number 5, made entirely from construction paper. It's a frog. Where are those delicious flies? Goodbye. So many fun puppets to make. If you want to make your own puppet, because it's Puppet Week at the library, stop by any of your 5 branches, Hebron, Couts, South Haven, Valparaiso, and Portage, and pick up a Take and Make craft kit, which should supply you with all the materials you need to make your very own puppet at home. If you visit South Haven, you will get supplies to make your very own finger puppet monster. So we offer them while supplies last. Be sure to sign up for our summer reading program through Beanstack, which you can find on our library website. Lots of cool prizes are being offered, and I hope that you will share some pictures of your puppets. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.